There are a lot of applications in Excel that you needed to retrieve the total, the summation if you are dealing with a financial statement, or maybe you are a project manager dealing with the hours from a project. And some people, they do this manually, wasting a lot of time. So there are a lot of people that they do equals and they sum cell by cell, wasting a lot of time. And this can take very long time if you have, for example, hundreds or even thousands of information on your table. But there is a better way that you can do this. Instead of using cell by cell, the first option that you have, you can use the formula SUM. To use this formula, you need to select a range to do this calculation. So you can, for example, click on the first cell that you want to start your calculation, left click and drag down the information. As you can see, Excel will take a range to do this calculation. You can close the bracket and hit OK. You can also, for example, I'm going to remove this range. If I have a lot of information, I can click on the first cell, Shift, Ctrl, and the arrow key downwards to do the whole selection in Excel. I'm going to close the bracket again and hit OK. Once I have a formula, I can click here on this small dot and drag to the right to do the calculation for the others. As you can see here, if I click on this cell, it updated automatically to column D. This video is sponsored by Excel Mastery. Here is where I can teach you from the beginning to mastery how you can save a lot of time at work. I'm going to present you the best tools and best shortcuts to make you outstanding at work and make you not only save a lot of time at work, but also make your work-life balance much better. So if you want to know more about this course, check the link below in the description of this video. Now, instead of using the formula SUM, alternatively, you can use a short key. I told you that's one of the most used formulas in Excel. That's why there is a short key for this one. You can click Alt and the symbol on your keyboard equals plus, which is beside the backspace. And then it automatically selects the range. But it's good to notice that it needed to be right after your data. For example, if I take here Alt plus, I'm going to select also this empty space. In this case, it's not a big deal, but it takes everything above the range that I am. For example, in this case, I'm here on E17, it only took this cell. So you need to be careful when you are using this shortcut Alt equal plus. The last option that you have to do the calculation, you can select anywhere in your data, press Ctrl T to transform this data in a table. Then it is going to show up this new tab here for you, or you can click here, total row. And then it's going to appear this number here as the total, but it only appears for the last one. So you can go to each of those columns and change which type of calculation you want to add. You always choose a sum in this case, but you also have the option to right click on the table again, and total rows. If you want more tips to be able to become a wizard in Excel and save a lot of time, follow me for more.